to watch agonizing from the non-strikers, and both his partners been dismissed for some excellent deliveries by Ahmad Daniel. Into the super over in the first semi-final. Team batting second at that time. Bangladesh won pretty easily. Now, Pakistan, when they come out to bat, they've got to make 7 runs with 2 wickets in hand. Same question for you, Maza. Who's your choice for the super over?
Ripon Mondal. Just to provide some hope to the Bangladeshi fans as well. He's bundled out India A without even scoring a run in the super over. So there's still a hope.
For Pakistan, Shaheen Salman. Have a look at here replay again. It's in the straight one, and Ahmad Daniel, what a player he is. He's inching towards, in my opinion, even for the man of the series, the way he has performed. Just on Pakistan, Shaheen's, maybe a right-hand, left-hand combination?
Yes, I wouldn't mind that. Maha Sadakat would be the choice. And maybe Saad Masood, the guy who scored 38 not out and looked good. Because you need to find somebody with some confidence from his fresh knock, and that is the person.
Yeah, I'll probably go with Maha Sadakat and Saad Masood just on pure. Yeah, they've scored runs on the day.
Yeah, it's going to be a good test between bat and ball. David Hemp, with all his experience, mentioning the fact that to keep them calm. Ripon Mondal, I'm sure he must be the ball in his hand. Bangladesh can still dream.
Millions watching this coverage. Bangladesh, Ripon Mondal did the unthinkable against India A. Dismissed Jitesh Sharma and Ashutosh Sharma in the super over. Millions were watching in Dhaka, Chattogram, Khulna, Borisal. All these places, Maza, they be glued to the TVs.
So the news is just Maha Sadakat and Saad Masood both gonna come out, and Irfan Khan Niazi, the skipper, has padded up as the 3rd player.
Yeah, left and right hand combination, not a bad call. It's going to be interesting to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
I think it's a very good choice. 2 players have scored runs on the day, left and right hand combination. Couldn't have asked better. And I'm with you, Maza, when you said Ripon Mondal, he should be the one. He's the match winner from semi-final, has the confidence. Bowled well today as well, 25 for 3 of his 4 overs. Definitely he should be the one.
Saad Masood will be up against someone like Ripon Mondal, who bowls those Yorkers to perfection. They need 7 to win. Ripon Mondal will be eyeing those block hole right from the word go.
Interestingly, Saad Masood is going to strike. Right-hand batter, Maha Sadakat, the highest run getter in the tournament, is on to play in the super over, chasing 7 runs and isn't facing.
Ripon Mondal, can he rips through Pakistan Shaheens? He's been excellent, certainly the find of the season for Bangladesh. Very good attitude, good action, good run up, and here's an opportunity for Ripon to make history or create history. The 4 fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, power point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh should be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just 1 hit away.
Into reverse swing, was tailing back in to the right hand, which will go away from the left-handed Maha Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to with his stroke, directed would have had him. It's excellent cricket. Was excellent by Ripon Mondal, off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been on the target. under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, at a good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Ball back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require one now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, it was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. But under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. And Pakistan, Shahid, they can sense it. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stumps. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shaheens are the best team by far, remain unbeaten right throughout.
Great scenes there in the ground. The Pakistan players run out. They celebrate this win. Wonderful defense of a total which was far less than what was expected of them. 125 defended in magnificent fashion. Match going to the super over. Bangladesh matching them ball to ball, wicket to wicket. And in the end, the super over belongs to Pakistan. Great game, great Edwards for the Asia Cup.
This is by far the best final, the best tournament of the